type to build a line before I wait in it, and we're spinning the block.
The type to do a line before I wait in it. This man, I didn't know it was a... Anyway, let's get into the last record for tonight. JAE5, Dave, Benson. This record that I saw the track list, it's not track list, but I saw the formulation or how it was, and immediately took me to one of my favorite records from last year, JAE5, Dimension, Rema and Skepta. So it's almost in that same formula where you have a rapper and a singer, and then you have JAE5 producing a fantastic production. Okay. So it definitely took me that immediately. Now, Buju, formerly known, Benson, formerly known as Buju, is in a fantastic run. One of my favorite records he put out with Wande Cole recently, Can't Kill It. It's still a banger. People that were saying we're mid, I don't know what it is. But I feel like he's in a run, and this has been teased for a long time, and I know it's about to be a banger. I'm excited to get into it. This is JAE5, Dave, and Benson. Let's hear it. Propeller.
JAE5.
JAE5, let's go. Oh no, this is sweet. This is sweet. This is sweet. Oh no, the progression on this is so good.
Spin around your block, I'm a big propeller. Came with my team, I came with my brothers. I swear, I'm coming from Bagada.
Kick Bagada in the building.
Can't deal with him, cause he shakes with his left hand.
Okay.
Married to the hustle, the money, my best man.
Okay.
Me against the world, my girl, my best.
Married to the hustle. So what is my best man? Because that was hard.
Married to the hustle, the money, my best man.
The money, my
Me
best
against
man.
the world, my girl, my best friend. I sleep in South and chill in the West End, and I'm ready for war. If it ain't about the belly, what you belling me for?
Okay.
What you telling me for?
Okay.
Henny, I must have had a 20 or more. Any more than I put her in Capelli or more. 16, the wrong one to play with, pussy. Big 4-4, no safety, pussy. We're coming
Okay. I'm the wrong one to play with. Let them know.
Any more than I put her in Capelli or more. 16, the wrong one to play with, pussy. Big 4-4, no safety, pussy. We're coming from Bagada, niggas wanna claim the gutter. I don't trust any woman if it ain't my mother, cause I'm a big propeller.
Hey.
Clean like sweet vanilla. Remember when I had sleep for dinner? I'ma live.
Remember when I had sleep for dinner? God damn. That's a line. That's a heavy line. That's a very heavy line. You know what it means to have sleep for dinner? Nah, you can't be broker than that, man.
I'ma live and live to tell the story.
Okay,
Every day I give
amen.
God
The glory. Let's go. Hey.
Spin around your block, I'm a big propeller. Came with my team, I came with my brothers. I swear, I'm coming from Bagada. Been a long time.
Hey, listen now. Oh, listen.
If you don't know, I don't still a cup of tea.
Hey.
Many things I don't see.
Okay.
So you can't tell me shit my G.
Okay.
Do you know G like me?
Okay, the violins in the background are kicking it. Okay.
So you can't tell me shit my
I
G.
learned to put lines together before I learned to put lines together. You know me, I stay with it.
Ooh, I learned to put lines together before I learned to put lines together. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. That's actually a clever line. I like how Benson actually ran that line together too. They ran that line together. Hey.
Stay with it. The type to build a line before I wait in it, and we're spinning the block.
The type to do a line before I wait in it. This man, I didn't know it was a... It's as if I did my own line before doing this review.
Type to build a line before I wait in it, and we're spinning the block. 007.
Okay.
Time since I learned to put rhymes together.
Huh?
Spin around your block, I'm a
Big propeller.
Came with my team, I came with my brothers.
Brothers, I swear.
I'm coming
From Bagada.
Been a long time, I put rhymes together.
Okay. Give me that orchestral feeling. Let's go.
Came with my team, I came with my brothers. I swear.
Beef the record up. Let's go. I know JAE5 is about to bring me there. Let's go.
When you call on me, babe.
Let's go.
When you call on
Hey,
me,
hey.
I know my place.
Listen, why is this man teasing me with the violins? Give it to me. Don't clip that. Hey, okay. Don't tease me, bro. JAE5. JAE5. Come on now. Come on, J5. J5, where the violins? Where the rest of the violins? You know finish up. Where the rest of the violins? J5, we're about to fight. Ah no, J5, we're about to fight. We're about to fight. Why this man did not finish it with the violins? Oh no. This man was teasing me like, and then stop it. I'm like, bro, Kilo Dare, like, beef the record up. Like, like, the violins would have kicked it off. Like, towards the end. Like, imagine conductor in front, just a, Said the 25K don't finish. I'm dead, man. Anyway, that was a fantastic record. In the same fashion, again, same fashion I would see that Dimension record. Obviously, this is my first run at it. I absolutely love this record. I love the sentiment around it, showing the upbringings, because Buju is making references to growing up in Bagada. Same as Dave is also painting that same picture in his own context in that way. So it kind of makes sense how Dave was able to like spit in the lines about what he used to indulge in before, to get to the point where he is now. It's talking about getting sleep for dinner. I think that line alone, like, it paints the picture vividly for you. Getting sleep for dinner? God damn. Anyway, what else? Yeah, the lines about doing lines together. I absolutely fucking love it, because it's a funny play, because they actually did that line together, so it was fun. So like, I don't know if it was intentional. What they did there, but that was brilliant. That was cheeky. I liked it. And yeah, this man J5, fantastic production, but the violins. You owe me more violins on this record, bro. You owe me more violins. Like, there has to be more. There just has to be more violins on this. I'm peeved, okay? I'm peeved like that. This man didn't complete the record. But nonetheless, it's still a good listen. Buju's presence with that, his nasal. It's not a bad thing, but it's a signature thing for him. But that is nasal run. You know how Buju sings. Like, you know how it is, right? Like, Buju how sings. Well, Buju, like, he does that thing where he like he sings almost like nasally. I'm not doing it with justice, but you get what I mean, right? But yes, anyway, that was it for tonight, man. I absolutely love. I'm sorry, I'm doing that Buju impression in my head. Let me chill.